Hi, LindaBauwin here from stampingwithlinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is Tuesday, so time for another creative fold. And if you joined me last Tuesday, you know I said that I will be doing some additional cards using the Gather Together bundle that I am featuring with a PDF tutorial this month. There are 11 cards in my PDF tutorial. 3 of them are creative folds, but none of them are the videos that I'm sharing during the month of October. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do an accordion fold card using the beautiful designer series paper Come Together that is part of the suite that features the Gather Together. So what I have is a piece of the designer series paper. This measures 5.5 by 12. Beautiful paper. I have taken a piece of the Pretty Peacock and have cut it out with my stitched rectangles, and also a vanilla piece out of another size of the rectangle. And then I also have a piece of very vanilla. This measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. So I'm going to be bringing in my trimmer. At the time of this video, I still have not gotten my new trimmer, but demonstrators are able to order that new trimmer the month of October, so soon I will have it. But for right now, I'm going to be using my old one, and I am going to score first at the 1 3/4 inch mark. Then I'm going to score at 5 3/4, excuse me, 4 3/4, yeah, 4 3/4, and my next score line is going to be, ooh, that's not sliding real well. Let's try it up this way. There we go. So 4 3/4 and then 7 3/4. So my 3 score lines again, size of the paper is 5.5 by 12. I scored at 1 3/4, 4 3/4, and 7 3/4. So I'm ready to do my card. And I am just going to grab a bone folder here and crease those edges. So I've got this. Go this way, and then back on itself, and then looks like I have not got that exactly. Let's see if we put this back in the trimmer. Looks like I didn't cut that quite even on the 5.5. So let's go in here and see what's going on. Yep, there's definitely, let's see if I can straighten this out. My paper must have shifted on me. So there, we cut off that little piece. Very important when you're doing an accordion fold that it is nice and straight. So we've got that now. So this is going to give me the standard 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. And I'm just going to make sure my score lines are nice and crisp. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I am going to grab those rectangles. You know, first I'm going to go ahead and take that 4 inch by 5 1/4 vanilla, and I'm going to add that inside my card. Now when you do these accordion folds with your designer series paper, your designer series paper is lighter weight, so when you put this cardstock on the inside, it stiffens it up for you. So I've got that. I've next got this piece. I'm going to bring in my Pretty Peacock. I am in love with this color. Never would have thought of it for fall, but I'm surprised a lot of the fall fashions now has that Pretty Peacock color in them. So Stampin' Up! Was right on trend with this color for fall. So I used the stamp from the Gather Together. It says Season of Thanks, and I've got my pumpkins, and I'm also going to go down here and stamp my pumpkin down here. What I'm going to do next, now I could go in with my aqua painter, but instead I'm going to use my Wink of Stella, and I'm just going to add some glimmer, and it also will pick up that ink, since it is a water-based ink, and kind of tint those pumpkins so that it's not an all shimmer. It will pick up some of that pretty peacock. Now the rectangle dies that I used are very close in length, but it still gives a nice layering look. So I'm going to take dimensionals, put that there, and then I'm going to layer that on the peacock like so. Just going to add adhesive on the one side so that my card won't have any problem opening up. Let's see if I've got that straight. Looks like it's a little bit crooked. Let me see if I can straighten it up here. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and add that to the front of my card. And there you have a fun accordion card using that designer series paper that is part of the Gather Together suite. So hope you've enjoyed today's video. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.